Sometime 2021-22, we had flood and all sorts of natural mishaps everywhere in the country. But particularly the areas that concern the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. So I discovered later that Cross River hadn't gotten any form of palliative over that issue. So I insisted on whatever had been the past should be brought back and given to us. So it behoves on me to actually identify certain riverine and affected communities to try to augment and remedy some of their plights. We are just here to carry out a simple assignment and observe a simple ceremony, that of handing over a few palliatives to the community. There are not many. We have rice, we have beans, we have indomie, we have slipper shoes, we have mosquito nets, we have fishing nets, just things that could help jumpstart some of those afflicted, just to give them another chance in life. We are just an interventionist agency. Ours is to try to assist. And we pray that in assisting, whatever little token we have to give will not and should not bring acrimony within the community. So we pray that in peace and harmony, they will be able to allow the rest of the community to enjoy the little benefits coming from NDDC. We will not wait for you to ask our liberties, ask for some more. We are going to be back here as many times as possible to make sure at least you hear from us. Just doing that bit, we don't need a ceremony, we don't need to praise ourselves, because we believe we've not even done much. We will come back and do more. And let the record show that as much as we want to help out, we will help out in tandem with what the state government is doing. We try and strive as hard as possible to add value to what our governor, Basu, is doing. So where we can improve, where he can augment, he will augment. But we work together. Let that one not be in doubt. So whatever they do, if you want us to add, feel free to reach us. And whatever we do, if you have any extra thing we cannot afford to assist, we'll also forward to the government. So we're working together, and there's no way NDDC will work in tandem and key into the government programs and policy that we will not make this community a better place.